Today we're going to my favorite customer's house. Yes, I can say they're my favorite customer as they are also my grandparents. They used to have a Flow by Moen installed underneath their crawl space. They kind of decided over time that it just wasn't for them, but they wanted an easy access way to be able to shut water off should they ever need to, but can no longer really get underneath and crawl all the way under the house. As you may know, if you're any familiar with plumbing work, typically the shutoff valves are going to be at about the furthest distance they could possibly be from the access to the crawl space. No particular true reason for that, other than that's just how the layout ends up working out, and that's the case here. Now, despite the fact that this is literally the nicest crawl space I have ever been in, you'll get to see that soon, it's still a crawl. It's still difficult. So what I recently considered doing and thought about is that we could actually route the plumbing line, route it over to the main door, and then secure them a valve up by the opening. So that all they have to do if they need to shut the water off is open the door and just reach in and turn that valve. It's going to be a whole lot easier than having to crawl in should they ever need to shut the water down. And of course, they can always contact me too. Unfortunately, they're a little bit of a cruise away, so if they're in an emergency situation, it's still really, really good to be able to shut water off to their house as they need to. So that's what we're going to be doing today. See you there. So we're here now. What we're going to do is remove the entire flow and bypass system. We're going to cut about here on the copper line, cut about there on the copper line, and convert over to PEX tubing. We are using the best PEX brand on the market, SharkBite, and we're gonna run down across there by where the water heater is, where we will then come out around this section here, and we'll install a valve probably right on these beams here. I'll step just outside and see what feels comfortable to reach in and access. They set me up with a chair and some waters. Even gave me a little sweatband, and I got my fan set up. So we're gonna go ahead and get to work, get this knocked out. If you just saw that, I did not forget to shut water off. I already shut off at the meter. I forgot they had a master valve here instead of just the ones off to the side. So I'm toggling that one so I can turn the meter on, not worry about anything, and then use that one to test afterwards. That would have been really bad if I had forgotten it though, and then cut right through without turning it off. All right, while that's draining down, seriously, is this not one of the nicest crawl spaces that you've seen? If you do this kind of work and get in crawl spaces, I mean, it's not filthy. We've got concrete slab, no dirt. I love this crawl space. right, that's all the copper run for the job. Now we're gonna switch over to PEX and get us routed over to the entrance with a new shutoff valve. All right, at this point, we're gonna see what makes the most sense as far as valve placement goes. I'm thinking if it was me, I would wanna reach in at the center. Do have a little bit going on there at the center, but we can make that happen. So yeah, we'll put it right up in that spot. All right, gonna leave it a little loose for now so that we can hook up our PEX lines to it without the wood being in the way, then we'll tighten it down. Well, we're a little over halfway there. Since it's been provided for us, we're gonna take a little break. Back to work. All right, so you can see here that we are too short to make it all the way over there. While I was pulling the line through, it actually kinked. Now, this is PEX A tubing, so I could take a heat gun to it and get the kink out. But since I'm working in a difficult environment to pull pipe through anyway, I've elected to just cut it, put a coupling on, saves me some aggravation. So that's what we're gonna do. right, new valve is installed, so all they gotta do is reach in, pull the lever. Water's off, water's on. Well, water's off right now because it's still off of the master, but that's how it'll operate. Now we're gonna go test it out. We'll go ahead and we'll turn it on, that way we can check both sides at once. Not sure it's gonna work. I already turned water onto the meter when I grabbed the coupling. Oops. And to turn the spigots off as well. So we're gonna turn on our master. See, all is good here. Can already hear it coming through here. We're in good shape. So I think I've got a couple more spots where I need to support the pipe. Let's see. Actually, yeah, I can put one clip up here. And that's that. I'm gonna get cleaned up here, and then my favorite part of the day, I'm gonna take a shower and hang out with my grandparents, neither one of which I'm taking you along for, so that's the end. Thanks for watching. Okay, but for real, is this not the most beautiful garden that you've ever seen?